If you've ever tried to research doctors on RateMDs, you know how painful it is, clicking profile after profile, copying ratings, reviews, clinic info, etc. It doesn't scale. So in this video, I'll show you how to scrape doctor profiles, ratings, and patient reviews from RateMDs automatically and in just a few minutes. We'll use the RateMDs Physician Review Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. This actor pulls structured physician data directly from RateMDs.com, including ratings, specialties, clinic locations, accepted insurances, and full patient reviews, without any manual work. It's designed for healthcare researchers, marketing teams, analysts, and even patients who want clean, reliable doctor data at scale. So, let me show you how it works. There's two ways to use this scraper. First, you can use a direct URL. For example, we're searching for cardiologists in New York. You can select any of these filters, and once you're ready, you simply copy the URL and you paste it in here. Alternatively, you can also use the search filters. For example, cardiologists, if you have a specific doctor name, and gender, plus all the filters that the website has. Just remember, you can only use one. So for this run, we'll use the URL and we'll leave this one empty. Once you're ready, you simply select the amount of data you want scraped, and you can start the run or you can schedule it according to your needs. For this demo, we'll run it once. And now we'll let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes, you'll get this dataset table in the Output tab. Each row represents one MD, and it includes stuff like the name, specialty, their address, their verified, their ratings, if it accepts virtual visits, the clinic name, their phone number, tags, and all this useful information, including the doctor URL. You can also download all of this data into JSON, CSV, or Excel file if you want to compare all MDs. This is perfect if you're doing healthcare market research, competitive analysis, lead generation, or building patient referral system. If you have any issues with this scraper, you can leave us any feedback. And if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.